Yo, it's Chriso. How you doing? Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Just press the button, the subscribe button. I'm bringing a video out every 2 days. Now we're in a little bit of a tricky sort of spot. Everything sort of goes a little bit slower. What I'm doing is I'm going to leave the toilet there. I'm going to start my next plank about where that glue is, and I'll come out. What I'm trying to do is get the main body of it down, and then I'm able to do the cuts when I'm standing on it the next day or the day after. What I want to do is come through and do this laundry floor, leaving some of the cuts until the next day, and then I'm able to walk on the tile. It makes it easier. I find it a lot easier sometimes to do the cuts after the next day, instead of trying to do them that day. It all gets a little bit hard to do unless you're a contortionist. Is that the word? Contortionist. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I'll just get some glue down here. My plank will come to about here, then I'm able to lay those 3 planks and move into the laundry. This is the bathroom I did 2 years ago. Yeah, it's all cool. All cool. They were talking about their doing their floor 3 years ago, but it sort of ended up the last thing. The original tile is fine. It's just with the wide grout lines and that sort of thing. It's sort of a little bit out of date. If they were going to sell, I suggested to them, if you're going to sell, don't bother tiling it. But they're an elderly retired couple, and they plan on staying here for a while. So that, you know, that's why they're doing the floor, just to modernise it. They're out mowing the lawns at the moment. So we'll get some clips in. Wipe that glue off the edge of the tile. Cool. Trying to do cuts at the same time is not me. It's not the way I do things. It's always easier the next day. There we go. Nice one. with some wedges. Most of the time with clips and that, I lay freehand. I don't worry about lines, chalk lines and all that sort of thing. No, you start off with a straight line and just keep going with clips. You can't go wrong. I followed the wall. The wall's not bad, but when you're laying out a sequence like this, you always got to be straight, but it's easy to get straight on your second row. Just like that. Just like that. Right, we better get this glue up. Oh, nice. Look at that. Ooh. Glue on my trowel handle. Oh. If you don't see it and you go to pick it up, oops. Right, this one will go to here, and then I'll slope it up to the bathroom floor. I might just, well, I shouldn't leave them out. I was just going to say I might leave it out, but no, don't. Don't, Chriso. When you get parts like this in hallways and into small areas, it always gets a little bit tricky, but just, you know, keep things calm, calm the farm, and just slowly work at it, and you get there. I'll come back to there once I take out the toilet tomorrow or the next day. I can fill that in easy, because the plumber is coming in to put in a newer toilet. So yeah, all good. This trowel handle, I'll give it a bit of a wipe. Try not to make too many marks on the wall, Chriso. Ew. A bit of a wipe up. See, so you guys will get in a bit of a mess. I'm a professional, and look at me. Glue everywhere. It happens. Just relax. Right, now we've created a little bit of room. Nice one, Charlie. Always scrape your glue away from the edge. Try and keep your tiling as clean as you can. Right. Another tile. Bushka. I'll come back to that glue there. I'll scrape it up from the other side. I'll be able to reach over better. Cool bananas. That's good, everyone. See, sometimes I have to lift it a tad because you have these tiles up and down a little bit. The clip went in under there, but this tile here is a little bit higher. So you just lift it a tad with your trowel, home and hose. I'll pop this tile down. I'll come back to you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.